Hello everyone, my name is Waqar Hassan and today I am here with the lecture of vocabulary, and these words will assist you in transforming your expression. And definitely, if you improve your expression, you will have an edge in essay rating as well as in précis rating. So let's start with these words. I will first of all elaborate the meaning of these words and then I will make a sentence for you people. So let's start. The very first word that I have selected is throng. It's a noun and it means a large crowd. And the sentence is, a throng of protesters are demanding justice for the young man. A throng of protesters mean a large crowd of protesters. So you can use throng in your sentences, and yes, you can replace a large crowd with throng in essay as well as in your précis rating. So this is also a technique to apply these words for trimming your précis passage, as well as to use these words in essay rating to impress the examiner, or at least create a difference in your essay rating. The second word is Titanic. You must have heard of the movie Titanic, but here it means, or the word Titanic actually means, of enormous strength or influence or size. It's an adjective. So people also need to learn that whether a word is an adjective or a noun. So it helps you people to appropriately use that word in your writing. So Titanic is an adjective. It means of enormous strength, influence or size. So the sentence is, the Titanic explosion in the street spread fear in the town. Titanic explosion means explosion that carries enormous strength and that carries influence of huge magnitude. So you can use Titanic in your sentences, and again you can also replace enormous strength with Titanic. You can also use Titanic to portray that something is very huge in its magnitude or size or influence, whatever. The third word is engross. It's a verb. It means to completely consume one's attention. To completely consume one's attention. For example, the sentence is, I was so engrossed in the novel that I did not hear the sound of the explosion. That I was so much involved in reading the novel or in the story of the novel that I did not hear the explosion. My focus was so much, extensive, my focus was so much powerful that I didn't hear the explosion. So I was so engrossed in the novel. It means that you were completely involved in reading the passage or in reading the novel or the story in the novel. So this is what it means by engross. Next is galore. Okay, it's an adjective. It means in abundance or plentiful. So let's use this in a sentence. He wished for blessings galore in his life. Blessings galore means he wished for a lot of or plentiful blessings in his life, or he wished for a life full of blessings, or a life that carries a blessings in abundance. So this is how we use galore in a sentence. Then garner, it's a verb. To amass or gather or accumulate. We usually use it in sentences when we have to reflect that somebody carries something now. Take up with the passive time, somebody develops an ability. If somebody develops an ability, you can use garner to reflect that. For example, he garnered the strength to overcome difficulties in life. He garnered strength means he collected that strength, accumulated that strength with the passage of time by facing difficulties in life, by facing rejection, by facing disappointment. The person accumulated courage or the ability to resist challenges or develop the ability of resilience. So he garnered the strength to overcome difficulties in life. It's a good word and you can definitely use it, apply it in essay rating as well in précis rating. And these words are also very much important. If you apply these words or use these words in comprehension, definitely such words make a huge impact, and these words assist you people to transform your expression. Definitely, these are very meaningful words. Then, Utopia, a perfect society, a paradise. And there was also an essay in CSS in which they placed this word in the statement. I didn't recall the essay, but this was the word in the essay, maybe in 2022 or 2023 essay paper. Then Valiant, it means bold, brave. He made a valiant effort to complete the project by the deadline. Valiant effort means courageous effort, a bold effort, a brave effort. Sometimes it seems impossible to complete things within time by the deadline, and then all you need is courage or some bold steps or some bold moves. So if somebody makes bold or brave moves, so you can use valiant to reflect it. Then Vamoose, okay. Vamoose means to depart in haste or to leave hurriedly. We have got a full day to travel ahead of us. Let's Vamoose. Let's Vamoose mean to show some haste. If you need to travel throughout the day, you need to Vamoose, means you need to quickly move out of your house and take a start of your journey. Otherwise you might get late because you have to travel throughout the day. So this is how you reflect Vamoose in a sentence. Let's Vamoose means to do some kind of hurry in order to reach your destination well in time. Okay, Somnolent, tired or sleepy. He worked throughout the day, and his somnolent gaze in the direction of his team reflect this. Somnolent gaze means sleepy gaze or gaze that reflect tiredness. If someone works throughout the day, definitely his gaze must contain this reflection, somnolent reflection, like some reflection that carries tiredness or that carries sleepy kind of an impression. Next is very important, Gild and Guild. Uh, these words were also used in correction of sentences. So gild means to cover thinly with gold or to make more valuable. Gild means GOLD means a group of people dedicated to common interest. So they gave a correction in which they used guild instead of guild, and students, they were supposed to use this guild because in the correction there was a reference of a group of people. So these two words are very much important. This guild means GILD means to cover something with gold to make it more valuable, and this guild means a group of people dedicated to common interest. So these are the 10 words that are very much important, and you can write on these words on your diary and apply these words. Make sentences. If you like the video, kindly comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.